Hello, everyone. We are going to think here about the associative property. And as you think about with the song, right, we are going to be moving these parentheses around. So these parentheses, right, what we know a parenthesis is telling us to do is to do that thing first. So whatever's happening inside of the parentheses, um, our order of operations of mathematics tells us do that thing first. So what's nifty here is that the associative property, when you have a big long string of numbers that you're multiplying together like we have here, what you can do is you can move your parentheses, right? So I like to think of these little parentheses. I like to think of them kind of like little social groups. So if you see the word associative, when I look at it, I kind of see this word here, socia, and I think of the word social, right? Like sitting at a lunch table pre-COVID, and we have this little social group. And what we can do then is we can move those parentheses, we can move those tables to invite different people, numbers, into our social group, right? Maybe you sit at the 2 times 4 table one day, and the next day you're like, oh, I'm going to try out the 5 times 2 table, right? And there's still this little number out here that's like, hey, I'm cool today. Sitting over here, chilling in the, my cat and dog are fighting over here at this table. But what's cool, right, is we're all still part of the same social club. We all still exist in the same lunchroom together. So the associative property, right, just like it says up here, means that it doesn't really matter how those 3 factors or 4 factors or 12 factors are grouped when you're multiplying them all together, because you can do the 5 times 2 first, or you can do the 4 times 2 first. And as long as you end up multiplying them all together in the end, you're still going to end up with the same product being the answer to a multiplication problem.